How to delete advertising ID on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or the S25 Ultra. First, tap on the Home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up Quick Settings, and here tap on the Settings icon. Next, we can scroll down, and then tap on Security and Privacy. After that, we then scroll down, and in here tap on More Privacy Settings. Then in here, scroll down and tap on Ads. Next, go down, then tap on Delete Advertising ID, and then tap on Delete Advertising ID. And that's it. It has now been removed. Finally, you can tap on the Home button to return back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.